Great morning, everyone. I'm Karen Davila. It's a pleasure to be here. We have with us this morning an empowered woman, the founder of her own company, a strong woman in the health industry. You've already heard of First Vita Plus. Let's welcome Doyi Taktakan Tumpalan. Good morning to you, Doyi.
Great
You are
morning,
looking
Karen.
beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Alam mo, 20 years into the industry, minsan ba sinasabi mo, parang kailan lang?
Exactly. Nung nalaman ko na we're going to have this interview for the 20th anniversary of First Vita Plus, sabi ko, wow, parang kailan lang na nung nag-start ako to do the business.
You are an empowered woman. You're an entrepreneur. You've been featured in so many magazines already, being the kind of entrepreneur that you are. Looking back, what do you think is the secret kung bakit nagtagal ang kumpanya mo ng 20 taon?
Oo. Kaya siguro yung, aside from the passion that people see in me doing the business, siguro yung love for, yung genuine love for not only the people, but also yung love for the company itself. And then, nag-radiate siguro yon na alam nila na sincerely, I would like to make a difference in their lives.
Pero saan mo nakuha ang lakas ng loob mo, gayong wala ka namang background dito? Hindi ka naman doktor, hindi ka naman chemist.
Oo.
Tapos, di ba,
Yes.
iisipin mo, pinasok mo ito.
Oo. Kasi nga gusto ko na magbigay ng something Filipino for the Filipino people. So, ang ginawa ko ay naghanap ako ng mga experts.
Oo.
Yun ang ginawa ko, Filipino scientists. So, I tapped them into helping me formulate a drink that is as powerful as yung mga imported na
Yeah.
drinks.
And do you remember magkano ang puhunan mo noon, Doyi, 20 years ago?
Oh my God. Hindi siya maliit. Hindi siya
Yes.
maliit to begin with. Kasi nga, iba yung scheme, yung marketing scheme ng MLM eh. Kasi you have to pay, kasi ganito yan, Karen. What is so empowering about the multi-level marketing na minsan ay misunderstood?
Yeah.
Okay? Ito ay direktang binibigay sa tao. May sweat equity kasi factor eh.
Yeah.
So halimbawa, kung ikaw ay nagbenta, mas malaki syempre dapat ang mapunta sa'yo. So naiiwasan yung middleman na sa traditional, mas malaki ang napupunta
Yeah.
minsan
Yeah.
sa mga
Sa retailer.
sa retailer kesa sa
or-
mismong
Yung salesperson.
salesperson yun.
Oo.
So yun yung binaliktad ko. Sabi ko dapat mas malaki ang mapunta sa mga taong nagpapakahirap na ibenta yung produktong Pinoy. So yun.
But did you have your own MLM model? Or were you inspired by a foreign model?
Yes, yes. Unfortunately, wala naman talagang Filipino model during the time, 20 years ago. So I would like to say we were the first. First Quadrant
Yeah.
and then First Vita Plus were really the first who naggawa na all-Filipino MLM company.
Your first product is the Vita Plus Natural Health Drink.
Yes, in Dalandan.
Yan yung
Kasi yan
una.
yung favorite ng anak ko, ni
Oo.
Lance, yung firstborn ko. Kasi ang ginawa ko, kung kaya kong ipainom sa mga anak ko, yun lang ang pwede kong ibenta.
Okay.
So yun yung parang, sabi ko, so tinanong ko yung mga anak ko, what's your favorite Filipino fruit? So si Lance during the time, Dalandan, si Patita Melon. So doon ako nag-start.
Oo. And when did you know na successful pala? Kumbaga, let's start with that first product.
Yes.
Kailan mo naramdaman na, oh wow, I'm gonna make it big, ha?
Yes. I really didn't expect it to be that big, to be honest. Pero nung nakita ko na nawawalan ako ng stock, talagang ubos kung ubos. Then I sabi ko, I did something great about this product.
Oo. And how was it months, days, or years?
No, in just 6 months, Karen.
Oo.
Talagang nagulat din ako. And not only that, maraming napagaling. Yun yung something na talagang I should be very thankful for. Kasi, syempre, launching a product is one thing, but making it like a household name na talagang hinahanap ng mga tao
Yeah.
dahil kailangan nila to sustain them is different.
Okay.
Yeah.
But when you say napagaling, what proof do you have? given us sometimes it's no therapeutic claim.
Yes, and we also have to put that sa
Yeah.
label, no? Alam ko, maraming pwede magsabi na baka placebo effect,
Yeah.
na kasi because it's something new or something that's crazed, ganyan, o hyped. But yung maraming kaming testimonials na merong before, mga ano nila, yung mga medical records nila, siguro doon na lang ako, doon na rin ako, kahit na ako, doon ako napaniwala
Oo.
sa sarili kong produkto. Parang ganon. And then, even pets.
Really?
Yeah.
Who took the drink?
Yes.
Okay,
So
okay.
siguro yun yung something na, syempre yung pets naman, hindi naman niya kaya magsabi na, oh, this is great, this is good, you know, you should buy. Hindi.
Oo. Well, may kasabihan nga tayo, the proof is in the pudding.
Yes.
So, dahil nagtagumpay, it means tinangkilik siya. But in the 20 years, you are, I would say, would you say most proud of, or you'd want to focus on the first Vita Plus Light, the London drink, sweetened, and now, I think, stevia.
Stevia na siya.
Oo.
Yes. Oo, kasi siya yung flagship ko eh.
Oo. Yung stevia.
No, the Landan.
oo.
You have to, you have to keep up with the times
Oo.
also, and then
Yeah.
you have to innovate.
People don't
ngayon,
like sugar.
anymore. Okay? So ngayon, nag-innovate na. Kailangan maging stevia na. To
Oo.
cater to all.
You know, Doyi, it's been 20 years.
Yes.
How many products does First Vita Plus have now?
Right now, well, over the years, siguro mga 5,000 products na. Okay? Pero over the, yes.
5,000?
Yes, it's that many. Pero ngayon, we're just keeping it like mga 300 lang. Para ito na yung mga staple
Kumbaga
na to.
nag-edit ka na.
Yes, marami na rin akong tinanggal over the years.
Oo.
Yung mga, syempre nga, kasi you need to innovate and you have to listen to the public, you have to listen to your users and to
Yeah.
your consumers,
Yeah.
what they want,
Oo.
what is really working for them.
Yeah.
So yun, kailangan mag-trim down ako.
Okay. Now, your dealers are watching this, your employees are watching this. Let's say for the dealers, no, how have you changed the lives of your employees? Because I know many entrepreneurs I've interviewed, this is what's important to them.
Okay, now, dalawa kasing components ng First Vita Plus. We have dealers, meaning sila yung workforce ko. Sila yung nagbebenta ng produkto. Sila yung aking mga soldiers. Okay, and then of course the employees. Sa employees, ngayon we will also be celebrating yung mga 20 years na sa akin, na tuloy-tuloy na marami sa akin more than 20 years kasi kasama ko sila doon pa sa iba kong business. Okay, meron akong 31 years, 25 years
Wow.
with me, 30 years with me. So I'm also celebrating them.
Yes.
So I'm also celebrating their loyalty, their dedication, and their love for the company.
But what does it take to be a dealer of First Vita Plus?
They really have to have yung, siguro yung gusto nila, willingness to be an entrepreneur. Kasi it takes a lot talaga.
Oo.
Hindi madali.
Ano
hindi
bang
madali.
puhunan ng isang dealer?
Okay, ang una ng isang dealer is one power pack. We call it power pack. Mahilig ako sa word na power. Kasi we have power clap, we have power herbs, and then we have power pack. Ito yung, parang starter siya.
At magkano yun?
Ito ay 8,800
Oo.
pesos.
Okay.
So, yun, makakakuha ka na ng 10 plus 2 na yun. 10 boxes plus 2, free na yun, yung dalawa.
Oo.
So, in principle, you are getting 11,000 worth of products and paying only 8,000 pesos. So, ganon. And then, they start with that. Tapos, kailangan nila ng workforce din. Kaya yung multi-level marketing. Kasi
Yeah.
kinakailangan, meron rin sila mga tao to help them sell.
Yeah.
Kasi we cannot do it alone. Imagine, for example, one dealer would have like 100, 1,000 people under them. They cannot do it on their own. So they have to have the network to do it.
Palagay mo, what made you succeed? There are many MLMs or also small health businesses that don't make it to your level.
Number one, yung innovation talaga. Kinakailangan yung products, even if we have the staples, even if we have the flagship products, kailangan palaging may bago. Number two, you have to be true to your promise.
Yeah.
Yun yung, alam mo Karen, that is what I'm most proud of.
Yeah. Are you a workaholic?
Very.
Would you say that this is really yours, or your husband was
Oh.
with you.
We are a team.
So who is the brains and who is the marketer?
Well, yung husband ko is sa technology.
Okay.
So kasi kinakailangan eh. Kinakailangan seamless yung, kasi maraming tao, millions of people every day, kinakailangan well-tracked sila. So yun yung sa husband ko, behind the scenes.
Yes.
Perfect kasi very shy yung husband ko.
Oo.
O ako naman yung opposite niya.
Yeah.
So ako yung sa
Pwede kang
marketing.
artista eh. Sinabi ko, di ba? The true empowered woman. Yung boss, taga-yes siya.
Oo,
Taga-yes siya. Where do you want to take the company?
Okay, mga 8 years ago, meron akong binuo na kabaitaan.
Okay.
Taking from the word Vita,
Oo.
mga kabataan ng First Vita Plus. Because I would like us to be a family for the long haul ng negosyo. Hindi lang pansandalian. Kaya nga 20 years na eh.
Oo.
Meron ng forecast, on my forecast na this will go on because meron kaming mga dealers na yung apo nila, tsaka mga anak na nila ang nagtitake over ng business nila sa First Vita Plus.
Oo.
So, kaya ganun yung even with my kids, I would like them to get involved, although hindi ko sila pinipilit.
Oo.
Same with my dealers. Yun ang palagi kong turo sa kanila. Huwag niyong pilitin kung ayaw ng mga bagets. Kasi baka hindi nila rin yung passion nyo. But surprisingly, siguro nakikita nila how it changed their lives siguro. So kaya yung pagmamahal nila sa company, nandun na rin. Kaya pinapagpatuloy nila.
Oo.
So I would like to have them think of the word legacy. Na para sa kanila at sa First Vita Plus, may iiwanan kaming legacy sa kanila at ipapagpatuloy nila yun.
And what is your legacy? How would you like to be remembered?
At as someone who have made a great impact on their lives and has turned them into entrepreneurs. Kasi at the end of the day, being employees, well, I have nothing against them. Kaya lang, syempre, if you would like to dream big or bigger, I think being an entrepreneur is the best route.
Was there anything in your life that you experienced that you feel made you a better entrepreneur?
Yes.
You know, may mga tao may hugot.
Oo. Marami siguro akong hugot kasi ang hirap ng pinagdaanan ko eh para makarating kami kung nasan kami ngayon. Sobrang daming, parang misunderstood nga kasi yung mundo namin.
Oo.
Hanggang ngayon may mga stigma pa rin na pag naririnig na, oh, you own this company, you're into MLM business, so may stigma pa rin. Hindi pa rin ganon yung acceptance. But when I think about it, Karen, talaga parang how can you say that when you see real lives change for the better? How can I be judged that way when halimbawa, from a janitor became now a multimillionaire? So, how...
Really?
Diba?
May ganun na story?
Madami. Madami. Kaya, di ba, parang, yun yung hugot ko. Yun yung hugot ko. Paano ko magpapatalo sa mga taong hindi naniniwala versus sa mga taong nakita ko na nabago ang buhay for the last 20 years?
Ano ang natutunan mo sa mga magulang mo na pananaw mo nakatulong sa'yo na maging magaling na entrepreneur?
Lahat tayong may heroes. Marami sabihin ang hero nila, si Superman, si Wonder Woman. Ako ang hero ko ever since parents ko. Both my parents. Kasi they have taught me everything that I should know now. Sila talaga nagmolde sa akin. Sila naghubog sa akin. Number one, humility. Very humble yung parents ko na tinuruan nila kami na kahit na anong meron ka, hindi po pwedeng magtatapos doon kasi kailangan ma-share mo yung blessings mo. Tapos, always remain humble regardless of what you have attained. Hindi po pwedeng pumasok sa ulo mo. Yun ang number one talaga na tinuro sa amin. Hindi pwedeng maging mayabang. Tapos maging masaya para sa ibang tao. You always have to be grateful, not only for your success, but for the success of others. Bawal mainggit. Oo, talagang bawal ang inggitera. Bawal ang inggitero kasi palaging naririnig ko pa ngayon, ang kay Juan ay kay Juan, ang kay Pedro ay kay Pedro. Magkakaroon ka kung ano para sa'yo.
Ang galing. Sabi ng parents mo yun?
Yes.
That's
Oo.
beautiful.
Yes, so lahat kami na, we're 5 girls. And then tinuturo rin namin sa mga anak namin na darating ang panahon nyo, huwag kayong maiinggit kung ano meron ng iba. Be happy for them. Be happy for them. Because your time will come.
I think that's one of the most powerful things I've heard, in terms even of how you articulated it. Ang kay Juan ay para kay Juan, ang kay Pedro ay kay Pedro, ang sayo ay sayo.
Yes, yes.
Biblically, it also says, God's inheritance for you will go to you. You know, nobody can get that away from you. So to close, what is your message to all your employees, your dealers, people that have been with you in the last 20 years?
Okay, number 1, I would like to say thank you. Talagang thank you for all the love, support, for believing in you. Na yung palagi ko sinasabi sa inyo na kaya mo, walang imposible, hindi mahirap gawin isang bagay na when you put your heart and soul into it, kaya mo at kakayanin mo dahil nandito ang buong suporta ng pamilya mo sa First Vita Plus. And we are here for the long haul. Samahan niyo pa rin ako for the next 20 years kung pupwede, hanggang sa apo ko kung pupwede na samahan niyo ko kasi hindi tayo mag-iiwanan. Magkakasama tayo hanggang sa dulo.
Doyi, thank you very much. You are an inspiration.
Thank you so much, Karen, for doing this. Thank you.
So there you have it. What a great interview